So cut. Price is 14.5. It's also the 8mm. Okay, then let's see it to make us a earring. I will use the wire 1mm. Here. Uptight is uptight stone, not Amazonette. Uptight. Uptight stone. Yeah. And here let's going to use it to make 14.5 one string. Here we can go into cut it 2-piece seam length. It's going to be make a earring. I will make 1 piece first. So cut 2 pieces about 4 centimeter, a little bit long than 4. Okay. Then here I'm going to attach the piece of the plier at the middle. Okay. So it's folded here this way. It's folded here. The folder here is this way. We are fix the side seam. Okay. Then we make the loop seam. Make a loop. So it's made like this. Okay, 2 pieces like this way, and we use these beads. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We can use it to make as a earring. Wire by the 0.6. Use the wire 0.6 here. Okay. Then we wrap it. The first piece. and tight. If you like, you can put with some spacer on the beads, but here I'm just use the beads only. Okay, one piece. Then we go to make a piece of the pin, head pin made. Maggie's this one is the design similar as the Canada jet earring that I made. I send you as the free gift. Have you received them? The pair of the earring. Yes, it will be similar design as that. So you can see how to make it, and you can try a piece by yourself with any beads. Just I'm here not going to use the spacer beads. With a simple one, wrap the beads only. Here. Wrap up. Here. We are wrap it. Hang the piece of the beads on the side, wrap it here. Okay, one piece on the side. Hello, Mila. Happy to see you. Then the side, another side, we go to make the seam. The middle one will make a little bit different. The two sides we make the same. Let's first make a pair of earrings. It's going to be a fast making. Yeah, the color is good match for summer or even for autumn. This color not bad because this is not a bright color blue. It's a very calm down the blue color. Uptight stone. Yes, blue green, yes. Okay, two sides is the same, and the middle one we will make a little bit different. I will cut a small accessory. We can use a piece of the chain. You can use any one. If you love some other charm, you can cut the other charms. I just cut here. The small heart will be put at the middle. Okay, let's go. Fold, make a head pin. This technique you can learn it, and this technique when you got, you can make many different designs. Not only the earring, you can use it to make a bracelet, necklace. Hang on wrapper. Beads and white wrapper. No, sorry, forgot to attach this heart charm. Yeah. Okay, here. Hi. Okay, DDK. Okay, here. Then we are going to attach this heart on. I want to wrap this heart on here, and how to make it a little bit different. So here we can use the wire wrap on. Wire we going to use the piece 0.4. That piece posted today's make in chat. Okay. Last time I forgot. Okay. Thank you. Cut a small piece wire. Then we're going to wrap it here. Tight. First, tight it at the middle. Here, this one. Then let's go through. Here. Wrap. Tight, and one more time go through the hole. Okay, so the heart is hang at the middle here. That's it make a little bit different here. How is our baby boy? He's good. Yeah, I show you some picture. Hi, Debbie. Let me see if I have some picture. Yeah. Sister carried the boy. The sister said, "Why the brother not see me? The brother not see me. The brother only see mom." She said, the sister said, "Why brother the eye not see her, but only see mom." 他不看我。Here. Then after that, then I changed the way how to carry. Then she wants the baby see her. Then I changed this way. Yeah. Children always with love. I love children. Yeah. Strong boy, I think so. Now he's already strong. A fat boy for now. Each time I said it's a fat boy, my mother will say, no. He's not fat. He's not fat. Bigger than her in few months. I think so. To talk to him, and the baby will get used to her voice. Yeah. Yes. Here's is enough. Here. Okay, so this way. Thank you. Yeah. For now, it's still not understand. The boy is not often crying. He only cry when hungry, and the other time he almost not cry. Yes, I think so. He's happy. Okay, then we hang this the earring. Okay, we finish this earring fast. This one. Okay, we go to change. It's easy making the earring like this. Okay, it's a Bohemian